Hello everyone, it's Hannah here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable macros on your Microsoft Excel product to keep your computer secure. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to open up the File tab by left-clicking on it one time and then click on Options. From there, you want to go ahead and left-click on Trust Center on the left-hand side underneath Microsoft Excel Trust Center. This contains security and privacy settings to keep your computer secure. Now we need to change the macro settings, so left-click on Trust Center Settings and then select Macro Settings on the left side. You can select the first option if you want to disable all macros without any notification or pop-up, but I suggest selecting the second option, which is Disable All Macros with Notification. This way, you will get a notification if any macros are present, and you can enable them on a case-by-case basis. After selecting the option, click on OK and save the changes. That's pretty much it. I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. As always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.